I'm Henry Lodge, chairman of Lodge Manufacturing Company. Joe Lodge's son was my grandfather, so Joe Lodge was my great-grandfather. Lodge has weathered a lot of economic and global issues in its time, being founded in 1896. The faith of the family and the willingness to always reinvest in our company has made us a better and stronger company. The ability to develop and produce the Blacklock line really had to wait until we had enough free time in our foundry to do testing, to run samples, to do all the research necessary to ensure that we could make this premium line of cast iron. We wanted it to be the kind of quality that both Joseph Blacklock and Joe Lodge would be proud of, and the family would be proud of. It's always exciting when you can have the resources available that you need to develop a product like Blacklock. It's a part of our heritage that we haven't really brought out in public so much before, but it seemed like a piece of really outstanding quality cast iron deserved to tap into that heritage.